So let's just start with eye makeup look. मैं आई शेडो से शुरू करूंगी and I'll be using these eyeshadow palette. So this is Pop Exo Makeup Collection Scott Gold's 12 eyeshadow palette by MyGlamm and इसमें आते हैं 6 shimmer shades and 6 matte shades. I'm going to begin with this one right here, which is a dark brown shade. Now using this Pop Exo Makeup Collection Hot Mess, that's the name of the palette, 4 eyeshadow kit. इसमें 4 color आते हैं. These are like summer colors. Alright, so this is what the eyeshadows are looking like. As you guys saw, these are highly pigmented. Color payoff of matte eyeshadows are amazing. You can use your finger or you can use a brush. Pick any one eyeshadow, just apply that all over your eyeshadow and you are good to go for everyday makeup look. And anyone can use this palette, I would say. Next step, I need to apply the eyeliner. उसके बाद हम लोग lower eyeshadows apply कर सकते हैं क्योंकि eyeliner का जो flick है, that is gonna act as a guideline for our lower lash line. Alright, so let's apply the eyeliner. For that, I'll be using MyGlamm Stay Definer Liquid eyeliner brow powder in ebony and walnut. इसमें एक साइड आता है liner that is in the shade ebony और दूसरे साइड आता है इसमें brow powder, this is in the shade walnut. Just gonna set my eyebrows in place very light-handedly. I need to remove this hair right here, which was not looking good there. So मैं अपने eyebrows भी makeup के बीच में कर रही हूँ बैठ के. Wow. Alright, my eyebrows are on. So this is the first product from MyGlamm that I totally fell in love with because of the quality of their eyeliner and their eyebrow powder. I worn the eyeliner for more than 8 hours and it was still intact on my eyes. So this product is made in Germany. This is also dermatologically tested. The price of this product is 1095 rupees, which I think some of you guys must be like, थोड़ा सा pricey है, but you're getting 2 individual product in one single packaging और वो दोनों की दोनों काम की चीजें अच्छी क्वालिटी का है. ये totally worth the money. Moving on to mascara. For that, I'll be using MyGlamm's Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. I'll be applying mascara on my lower lashes. Lower lashes पे mascara apply करना बहुत easy हो जाता है इस bond से because ये काफी अच्छे से fit होता है वो curling bond and it coats each and every eyelashes as I said. And guys, we are done with the eye look. I feel like it's very similar to the image. Alright, let me just bronze up my face. For that, I'll be using this 3-in-1 palette by MyGlamm. This is in the shade Poker Face. Picking the bronzer shade from this palette, tapping off the excess. Alright, we are almost done with the makeup. So these were all the products that I wanted to talk about from MyGlamm. If you're interested in any of the product, अगर आपको कुछ पसंद आया है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक पे जाके क्लिक करके प्रोडक्ट को खरीद सकते हो. So लिंक पे जाके खरीदो. Check out the link in the description box below. Bye everyone. Take care.